Today we will start practice set 3.1. Which of the following sequences are AP and if they are in AP find the common difference. आपल्याला काय शोधायचं इथं, आपल्याला काही सिक्वेन्सेस दिलेले आहेत आणि त्या सिक्वेन्सेसमधून कुठले सिक्वेन्स अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन आहेत ते आपल्याला डिसाईड करायचं आहे. आणि जर ते अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन असतील तर आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द common difference, that is D, the value of D we have to find out. So first example is we have given, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So here first term, that is T1 is 2, T2 is 4, T3 is 6 and T4 is 8. तर कॉमन डिफरन्स सारखा आहे का किंवा नाही, आधी आपण एपी मध्ये आहे का नाही हे ठरवण्यासाठी काय करू, दोन कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह टर्म मधला डिफरन्स सारखा आहे का ते आपण बघू. सो हियर T2 minus T1, the value of T2 minus T1, T2 is 4, T1 is 2, so this is 4 minus 2 and we get here 2. Then we will find out the difference between T3 and T2. T3 minus T2, 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. Again T4 minus T3, that is 8 minus 6, which is also equal to 2. So here we can write the difference between two consecutive term is constant. Here the difference between two consecutive terms तर दोन कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह टर्म घेताना सुद्धा आपल्याला काय लक्षात घ्यायचं आहे, नेक्स्ट टर्म मायनस प्रिव्हियस टर्म, दॅट इज वी हॅव टू टेक द डिफरन्स बिटवीन टी n minus Tn minus 1, the difference between nth term and Tn minus 1th term. So here the difference between two consecutive term is constant and it is 2. So here is 2. So given sequence is AP. So here given sequence is in AP or given sequence is AB and the value of D, that is common difference, D is equal to 2. Here we get D is equal to 2. Second example, here we have given sequence 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 3 and so on. तर आपल्याला दिलेला सिक्वेन्स एपी आहे का नाही हे ठरवण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, आपल्याला प्रत्येक दोन कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह टर्म मधला डिफरन्स आधी आपण शोधून घेऊ. सो हियर T1 is 2, T2 is 5 by 2, then T3 is 3 and T4 is 7 upon 3. Now find the difference between T2 and T1, that is T2 minus T1, 5 by 2 minus 2. Here we will get answer 1 into 5, that is 5, minus 2 into 2, that is 4, divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. So 5 minus 4 is 1 by 2. Now take the difference between T3 and T2. T3 minus T2. Our T3 is 3 minus T2 is 5 by 2. Again find the answer, 2 into 3, that is 6, minus 5 into 1, that is 5, upon 2 into 1, that is 2, and this is 6 minus 5, that is 1 upon 2. Again take the difference between T4 and T3. T4 minus T3, which will be equal to 7 by 3 minus 3, that is 3 upon 1. Here 7 into 1, that is 7, minus 3 into 3, that is 9, upon 3 into 1, that is 3. Here we will get the answer 7 minus 9, that is minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3. तर आपल्याला दोन वेळा आपल्याला 1/2 असा आन्सर आलेला आहे, पण तिसऱ्यांदा आपल्याला जो डिफरन्स आहे दोन कॉन्जिक्युटिव्ह टर्ममधला तो -2/3 आलेला आहे. आणि म्हणून प्रत्येक दोन कॉन्जिक्युटिव्ह टर्ममधला डिफरन्स इथं सारखा नाही आणि म्हणून गिवन सिक्वेन्स हा AP नाही. हिअर द डिफरन्स बिटवीन two consecutive terms is not constant, and so given sequence is not a. Here in example 3 we have given the sequence -10, -6, -2 and 2. So we will write here T1 which is -10, T2 is -6, T3 is -2 and T4 is +2. Now find the difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 we will get our T2 is -6 minus -10. Here we will get -6 minus will be +10 and we will get the answer 10 minus 6 which will be 4. Again take the difference between T3 and T2. T3 minus T2 which will be equal to -2 minus -6 which will be -2 plus 6. And we get answer 6 minus 2, that will be also 4. Again T4 minus T3, T4 minus T3, that is 2 minus -2 and we get 2 minus plus 2, that is equal to 4. So here the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, that is 4, and so given sequence is AP. Here the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, and so given sequence is AP. So given sequence is AP. Now the value of D is 4. So here common difference D is 4. Fourth example is given, that is sequence is 0.3, 0.33, 0.333. Here we will write T1, T2 and T3. Here T1 is 0.3, T2 is 0.33, T3 is 0.333. Now we will take the difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1 and then T3 minus T2. So T2 minus T1, which will be equal to 0.33 minus 0.3. So here 0.33 minus 0.3 and we will take here 0. So 3 minus 0, that is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we will get the answer 0.3. So this is 0.03. Then take the difference between T3 and T2. Here T3 minus T2, or T3 is 0.333 minus 0.33. The answer will be, here we will, here 333 minus 0.33 and here we will take 0. 3 minus 0, that is 3. 3 minus 3, 0, 0, and the answer will be 0.003. This is 0.003. Here clearly we can see that the difference between two consecutive terms is not constant. Here difference between two consecutive terms is not constant, and so given sequence is not in AP. So given sequence is not in arithmetic progression. Fifth example is given, that is we have given the sequence 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. T1 is equal to 0, T2 is minus 4, T3 is minus 8, T4 is minus 12. Now find the difference between two consecutive terms. So T2 minus T1, we will get minus 4 minus 0 and we will get the answer minus 4. Then T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 8. We have to subtract minus T2, that is minus 4, and we will get minus 8, minus and minus plus 4, and we will get the answer minus 8 plus 4, that is minus 4. Again we will take the difference between T4 and T3. T4 minus T3. This will be equal to minus 12 minus minus 8 and equal to minus 12 minus minus plus 8, and the answer is minus 4. Here clearly we can see that the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, and that is minus 4. So given sequence is in AP and the value of D is minus 4. Here difference between two consecutive terms is constant, that is 4, and so given sequence is AP. म्हणून दिलेला जो सिक्वेन्स आहे आपल्याला तो AP मध्ये आहे आणि आपल्याला D ची व्हॅल्यू लिहायची, तर आपल्याला D ची व्हॅल्यू लिहिणं -4, अँड सो कॉमन डिफरन्स D इज -4. here we have given the sequence minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5. क्लिअरली आपल्याला दिसतं जे इथं दिलेला जो सिक्वेन्स आहे हा ए पीमध्ये आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये डिफरन्स किती आहे, डिफरन्स इज 0. सो वी विल फाइंड आउट हिअर T1 इज minus 1 by 5, T2 is also minus 1 by 5, T3 is also minus 1 by 5. Find the difference between two consecutive terms, that is T3 minus T2 will be minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5, and we will get minus 1 by 5 minus minus plus 1 by 5. So this will be minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 upon 5. This is 0 by 5 and the answer will be 0. Next, take the difference between T3 and T2. Sorry, here we have to take T2 minus T1. Here T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Again minus 1 by 5 minus minus plus 1 by 5, and we will get the same answer, minus 1 plus 1 upon 5, which will be 0 by 5, and this is 0. So the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, and so given sequence is AP. So the value of D, that is common difference, is 0. So the D is equal to 0. Example number 7. Here we are given the sequence 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 times root 2, 3 plus 3 times root 2. First we will write the values of T1, T2 and T3. Here T1 is 3, T2 is 3 plus root 2, T3 is 3 plus 2 times root 2, and T4 is equal to 3 plus 3 times root 2. Now find the difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1. Now T2 minus T1 will be equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3, and we will get 3 minus 3, this will be 0, and we will get the answer root 2. Next we will take the difference between T3 and T2. T3 is 3 plus 2 times root 2 minus our T2 is minus 3 plus root 2. Now write 3 plus 2 times root 2, then change the sign, this will be minus 3, and this is minus root 2. So 3 get cancelled, and here write 2 times root 2 minus root 2. To solve this we will take the common root 2. So here we will take root 2 common. So here 2 minus 1, and the answer will be 2 minus 1 is 1, and this is root 2 into 1, and our answer is root 2. Again take the difference between fourth term and third term. So T4 minus T3. T4 is 3 plus 3 times root 2 minus third term is minus 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 times root 2. Solve this. This will be 3 plus 3 times root 2 minus 3. This will be again minus 2 times root 2. So this 3 will get cancelled, and we will get 3 times root 2 minus 2 times root 2, and the answer will be only root 2. When we take root 2 common, here we will remain 3 minus here 2, and the answer is root 2 into 1, and the answer is root 2. तर 2 कॉन्जिक्युटिव्ह टर्म मधला जो डिफरन्स आहे इथं तिन्ही ठिकाणी कॉन्स्टंट आहे, अँड दॅट इज रूट 2 अँड रूट 2. सो हिअर वी कॅन राईट द डिफरन्स between 2 consecutive terms is constant, and so given sequence is AP. Clearly we can write the value of D, that is common difference is root 2, and the value of D is root 2. This is our final answer. Next example, that is number 8. Given sequence is minus 127, 127, 132 and 137. So here we will write T1 equal to 1 to 7, T2 is 132, T3 is 137. Now take the difference between T2 and T1. We will get T2 minus T1, which is equal to 132 minus 127. So the answer will be 5. Again take the difference between T3 and T2. T3 minus T2, we will get 137 minus 132. Again we will get the answer 7 minus 2, that is 5, and 0 0. So here also the difference between 2 consecutive terms is constant. Again here difference between 2 consecutive terms is constant, and so given sequence is AP, and so the value of D is equal to 5. Here in second example, here we have to write an AP. आपल्याला काय लिहायचं, अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन लिहायची आहे, हुज फर्स्ट टर्म इज ए. ज्या अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशनची फर्स्ट टर्म ए आहे अँड कॉमन डिफरन्स इज डी. कॉमन डिफरन्स काय आहे तिथं, डी आहे. इन इच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. खाली आपल्याला ए आणि डीच्या व्हॅल्यूज दिलेल्या आहेत आणि त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला काय लिहायचं आहे, आपल्याला अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन काय करायची, राईट डाऊन करायची. हेअर वी हॅव गिवन ए इक्वल टू 10, डी इक्वल टू 5. अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन लिहिताना आपण काय करतो, T1, T2, T3, T4 असं आपण लिहितो. तर आपण T1, T2, T3, T4चे आपण काय काढू, व्हॅल्यू काढू. सो हिअर फर्स्ट टर्म इज ए, दॅट इज T1 is equal to A and this is 10. So here we will write T1 is equal to 10. Now to find out the T2 we have to add the common difference in the first term. अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन तयार करताना आपण काय करतो, प्रिव्हियस टर्ममध्ये आपण कॉमन डिफरन्स ॲड करतो आणि आपल्याला नेक्स्ट टर्म काय होते, ऑब्टेन होते. तर T2 काढण्यासाठी आपण काय करू, T2 इज गिवन बाय T1 प्लस D. T1 plus D, that is 10 plus the value of D is 5 and we will get T2 equal to 15. Then what about T3? T3 will be the T2 plus again D. T2 plus D or T2 is 15, the value of D is 5. So we will get this is 20. Again to find T4, we will add D to the T3 plus D and we here 20 plus D, that is 5 and we will get 25. So an AP is arithmetic progression लिहिताना आपण फर्स्ट टर्म लिहू, T1 is 10, then T2 is 15, then 20, 25 and so on. Next example, we have given the value of A, that is -3 and D is 0. So our first term is A, that is T1. T1 is equal to A and that is -3. T1 is -3. To find T2, add D to the T1. So T2 will be equal to T1 plus D and T1 is -3, value of D is 0 and we will get there -3. Again to find T3 we will add D to T2, so T2 plus D. Again T2 is -3, we have to add 0 and we will get again -3. To find out T4, T3 plus D, T3 is -3 plus value of D is 0, again we will get -3. So an AP will be equal to -3, -3, -3 and -3. So an AP is -3, -3, -3, -3 and so on. Number 3, A is -7, D is 1/2. So here our T1, that is first term is -7. So here T1 is equal to A and that is -7. To find T2 काढण्यासाठी काय करायचं आपल्याला, T1 मध्ये आपल्याला D ॲड करायचा आहे. T2 शोधण्यासाठी आपण T2 is equal to T1 plus D. T1 आपला किती आहे, T1 आपला -7 आहे plus the value of D is 1/2. Now we will solve this. Take here 1 -7 into 2, that will be -14. 1 into 1, this is 1, divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. the answer will be minus 14 plus 1, that will be minus 13 divided by 2. So our second term is minus 13 by 2. To find T3 will be equal to T2 plus D, or T2 is minus 13 by 2 plus our D is 1 by 2. So here denominator is same, so we can add minus 13 and 1. So here will be minus 13 plus 1 divided by 2, and we will get minus 12 by 2, and the answer will be minus 6. Next we will find T4. So what about T4? T4 will be T3 plus D. T3 plus D. Our T3 is minus 6. Minus 6, and we have to add 1 by 2. Here minus 6 into 2, that will be minus 12. 1 into 1, this will be plus 1. 2 into 1, this is 2. Answer will be minus 12 plus 1, this will be minus 11 by 2. तर आपण T1, T2, T3 आणि T4 या सर्व व्हॅल्यू आपण काढल्या. सो द AP, so an AP is, right, T1 that is minus 7, T2 that is minus 13 by 2, again T3, the value of T3 is minus 6, T4 is minus 11 by 2, and so on. Fourth example, we have given A is equal to minus 1.25 and the value of D is 3. So here T1 is A, T1 will be equal to A, that will be minus 1.25. To find T2, we have to add D to the T1. So T1 plus D, T1 plus D. T1 is minus 1.25 and we have to add 3. So the answer will be equal to find the answer minus 1.25, we have to add 3, that is 3.00. So the answer will be equal to 3 minus 1.25, 3.00 minus 1.25. So here 10 minus 5, that is 5, 10 minus 3, that is 7, and 3 minus 2, this will be 1. So our answer is 1.75. T2 is 1.75. Then to find T3, we have to add T2 plus D. T2 plus D. T2 is 1.75. We have to add D, that is 3. So here addition will be 3 plus 1, that is 4.75. Again we will find T4. T4 will be T3 plus D. Again T3 plus D. We will get T3 is 4.75. We have to add 3. So answer will be 4 plus 3, that is 7.75. And so an AP will be, an AP is, first term is minus 1.25, second term is 1.75, next term 4.75, next 7.75, and so on. In fifth example, A is 6 and D is minus 3. So we will write here T1 equal to A, and that is equal to 6. To find T2, we add D to T1. So T1 plus D, and this will be 6 plus the value of D is minus. So this is 6 minus 3 and answer is 3. So T2 is 3. T3 will be equal to T2 plus D. T2 is 3 plus minus 3, and we will get answer 3 minus 3, that is 0. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. So T3 is 0 plus minus 3, the answer will be 0 minus 3, and the answer is minus 3. So an AP is, so first term is 6, then 3, again 0, minus 3, and so on. Here we have given A is minus 19, D is minus 4. So first term, that is T1 is equal to A, which will be equal to minus 19. T2 will be T1 plus D. Our T1 is minus 19 plus the value of D is minus 4. So this is minus 19 plus minus 4. So here we have to minus, and 19 plus 4, that will be 23. Again T3 will be T2 plus D. Value of T2 is minus 23 plus value of D is minus 4. Again minus 23 minus 4, answer will be minus 27. Now T4 will be equal to T3 plus D. T3 is minus 27 plus minus 4. So this will be minus 27 plus minus 4, and minus 27 minus 27 minus 4, this will be minus 31. So an AP will be, AP is first term minus 19, then T2 is minus 23, again minus 27, minus 31, and so on. Here we have to find out first term and common difference for each of the following example. Our first example is 5, 1, minus 3, and minus 7. Wow. Here we have given the examples of arithmetic progression. इथं जे उदाहरणं दिलेले आपल्याला ते अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनचे आहेत, म्हणून आपल्याला इथं प्रत्येक कॉन्जुगेटिव्ह टर्म चेक करण्याची काही गरज नाही. तर आपल्याला फर्स्ट टर्म काय असते, आपल्याला सुरुवातीची टर्म आपली फर्स्ट टर्म असते. सो हिअर फर्स्ट टर्म इज 5. To find the D, we have to take the difference between any two consecutive terms. So here D is equal to, here D will be equal to, we will take T2 minus T1, or we can also take T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3 also. T2 minus T1 give upon, तर T2 is 1 minus T1 is 5. So this answer is minus 4. So common difference is minus 4. So common difference is minus 4. Second example, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, and so on. So here first term is 0.6. Here first term is 0.6. To find the value of d, we will take d will be equal to t2 minus t1, t2 minus t1, that is 0.9 minus 0.6. So the answer of d will be equal to 9 minus 6, this will be 0.3. Next, number 3, 127, 135, 127, 135, 143, 151, 151. Here T1 is, T1 is 1 to 7, T2 135, T3 143, T4 is 151. So T1 is our first term, so we can write here first term is 127. To find the value of d, take the difference between any two consecutive terms. Here the value of d will be equal to T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. Our T3 is 143. Our T2 is 135. And the answer will be 8. The value of d will be equal to 8. Number 4. Here fourth example we have given AP is 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 7 by 4. So here T1 is 1 by 4, T2 is 3 by 4, T3 is 5 by 4, T4 is 7 by 4. Now this is our first term, that is T1. So here we can write first term is 1 upon 4, and the value of d, that is common difference, d is equal to, we will take T2 minus T1, which will be equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So 3 minus 1 upon 4. So answer will be 2 by 4, and that is 1 by 2. So common difference is 1 upon